Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I want to show you guys very simple tutorial how to turn your YouTube channel or any YouTube videos into a blog. Whatever you use, like Blogger or WordPress, it could be works, and it's really easy. Here it is, my YouTube channel from Indonesia, and then this is using bahasa, obviously Indonesian language. And then, for instance, I want to create this video into a blog. I just click this video. Ini yang gawat. And then what we use is Chrome extension that, to be honest, I made it. And then just click the Chrome extension and then click the auto transcript. And then click this to Blogger. And then later you will be redirected to the buy me a coffee thing. So if you want, please tip me whatever the amount is. And then later, wait. After about 30-second wait, this is the blog. You can copy it. This is the title. This is the meta description, which is really important, especially by now, since AI scrap our website, our blogs. So I think even if nobody now reads blogs, nobody know reading a blog post or WordPress, but AI read all of them. So AI reads all of them. So this is more important for us to get exposure when AI serve the answers to the users. So this is how to create the blog using the very simple tools, and then you can copy this HTML directly to your Blogger or your WordPress, and then that's it. After that, you can upload it. Actually, this is the method that a little bit manual. People out there using the N8N or something like automation, but for me, this very simple, little bit effort, it's fine. So if you need these tools, these really lucrative tools, you can click on the description along the link on the description below. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.